Hello, fellow adventurers. Today, I'm going to share with you some rare and unique facts about elephants. I'm sure you'll be surprised. Let's get started. Elephants don't have the ability to sweat. Therefore, they have to find alternative ways to cool off, such as going to water or taking a dust bath. Elephants' trunks are highly sensitive and can detect subtle touches. This increases their ability to communicate with each other and explore their environment. Elephants can consume plants and nuts underwater using their trunks. This ability increases their chances of survival, especially when water resources dwindle during dry periods. They can also show a certain aesthetic sensitivity to natural beauty. For example, some elephants have been observed watching the sunset and admiring landscapes. Elephants can find creative solutions when faced with challenging situations. For example, when they have difficulty accessing food or water sources, they may use their trunks to bend tree branches to gain access. Elephants are known to be associated with art and music in some cultures. For example, cave paintings depicting elephants have been found in some regions, and elephants frequently appear in folk tales and legends. Elephants may communicate in ways that are not yet fully understood. For example, they are thought to communicate by touching their trunks to each other or sending vibrations. This information can help you discover lesser-known characteristics and behaviors of elephants. Elephants are thought to communicate not only through the use of their trunks, but also through the vibrations they send through the ground. These vibrations can help them sense the presence and intentions of other elephants. The bonds between elephants run deep, not only between the leader and the herd, but also between individuals within the herd. Elephants can develop strong emotional bonds with each other, especially if they live together for a long time. The elephant's trunk is not just a long external organ. It also has a highly complex internal structure. This structure increases the flexibility and functionality of the trunk. It is thought that elephants can self-heal wounds, and in some cases, even heal broken bones. This ability may increase their endurance and chances of survival. Elephants are thought to form a language among themselves through specific sounds and movements. This language is used to strengthen social relationships and facilitate communication. Elephants' long-term memory not only recalls their past experiences, but can also record relationships and social structures between different individuals. This helps elephants adapt to complex social environments. These traits can help us gain a deeper understanding of the complex and intriguing nature of elephants. Some research suggests that elephants may have the ability to sense magnetic fields. This ability could help them determine migration routes or detect changes in their environment. The nostrils at the end of elephants' trunks are unique, like fingerprints, and each elephant's trunk has a different pattern. This feature can be used to identify elephants. Thanks to their special anatomy, elephants can produce low-frequency sounds. These sounds can be heard by elephants many kilometers away and can bring the herd together. Elephants' trunks are made up of highly complex and flexible muscles. These muscles allow the trunk to perform many different movements and increase the elephant's ability to train. Elephants' trunks are used not only to get food and water, but also to explore their environment, lift objects, and even play with each other. Tactile sensory sensitivity. Elephants' trunks have the ability to touch with extreme sensitivity. This allows elephants to perceive even very fine details when exploring their environment or interacting with each other. Elephants' skin is highly sensitive to detect temperature changes. This helps them regulate their body temperature and interact with their environment. According to some observations, elephants are believed to have certain ritualistic behaviors. For example, they may show rituals such as shaking tree branches or digging in the ground in a certain situation or at a certain time. The exact meaning of these behaviors is still unknown. Among the various sounds emitted by the phyla are low-frequency sounds that are not perceived by the human ear. These sounds can be used for communication or interaction with other elephants. The olfactory abilities of phyla are highly developed thanks to special sensory cells inside their proboscis. This allows them to use their sense of smell to detect dangers or different resources in their environment. There are some observations that elephants have the ability to identify and access underground water sources. This ability is especially important during dry periods, allowing elephants to access water. Elephants have been observed moving to different areas at specific times and under specific conditions, sometimes using secret migration routes. These migration routes are usually located in areas away from human intervention and may form part of the elephant's survival strategies. A little-known practice, but seen in some areas, is the use of narcotics to control elephants. These substances can affect elephants' behavior, making them easier to control, but can cause serious damage to their health. In some cultures, elephants are used in traditional medicine. These practices include the use of elephants' organs or body parts for medicinal purposes. These practices can negatively affect elephants' quality of life and threaten their populations. In some areas, elephants may be trained and forced to perform for use in tourism, circuses, or the show industry. This training process often involves physical and emotional coercion and is contrary to the natural behavior of elephants. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out the other videos on my channel. See you.